In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting pictures or albums at the bottom. Either way, wherever you decided, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, use this icon at the top left corner. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then hit Move to Trash, or in this case, turn on Trash because my trash can is disabled. Then hit Move to Trash and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!